The manual spring bellow forming machine adopts the principle of hydraulic bulging to produce thin-walled stainless steel bellows or copper bellows. It is easy to operate, maintain, and has low cost. This machine operates in manual mode. The mold adopts a segmented structure. After installing the tube blank, manually overlap and assemble the molds and clamping blocks. Then, seal the sealing plugs at both ends of the tube blank. Then start the hydraulic expansion wave and expand to form. The bellows it produces have small pitch and large convolution heights, which greatly enhance the elasticity and flexibility of the bellows. In addition, due to the split structure of the molds and clamping blocks can be freely combined, increasing the diversity of the combination of bellow parameters. The production cost of molds and clamping blocks is low, which is very suitable for small batch and multi-variety bellow manufacturing. Bellows and metal elastic elements, with their unique comprehensive performance, are widely used in fields such as chemical, metallurgy, power, petroleum, shipping, aerospace, and daily necessities. Fuga specializes in providing customized production lines for various types of bellows to customers, creating a one-stop service system.